Welcome to my bukid. So, munting bukid, munting garden. So, come here. This is my home and in my house. So, now guys, come here. So, this is my door. And then I have a lock. And then, tinakpan ko lang siya ng cortina. So, this is my bathroom soon. So, this is na pansamantala. So, come here in my room, idol. Hi guys, this is my bedroom. Nagpapahinga ako, so dito ako, idol. And then, nagsasaing na ako dito. So, when I need to eat the food, so every tanghali nandito ako sa bukid, idol. This is my bahay kubo, and then I have a plant of kamuti tops, kamuting kahoy, and then rots. That is the rots, and then the other taro. So that's only my planting. So and then banana, I have a coconut, and then fruits. So how many years to grow up, and then how after 10 years you can harvest. So the root crop is only 1 year. So that is the long term of harvesting. So now I tour you. Guys, this is my banana. So among nasa 3 years, you can harvest or mamumunga siya, mga idol. So yung for now, after 3 years, you can harvest the fruits. Now this is the coconut tree. So after you can harvest, regular year is 10 years. For now, this is the 1 year. So now guys, this is my pineapple fruit. Is a little one, and then the other is a new planting. So now guys, I need this to planting so many para maraming ma-harvest. At among nasa 1 year na to or 2 years, ganyan, idol. This is the cassava plant. So this is the kamuting kahoy in Tagalog. So now this is the 4 months. Actually 1 year you can harvest the cassava plant. Yan. And then this is the kamuti tops, mga idol. So among nasa 1 year, so ibang klase, magkaibang klase to. So merong siyang 4 months lang ma-harvest, and then ito kulay violet, so para siyang OB. Among nasa 1 year ma-harvest, mga idol. And now guys, I have taro roots, taro plants. Actually this is the 1 year, 1.5 or 2 years you can harvest this. So you need to be a bigger, waiting for a bigger, and then you can harvest. So yun guys. So now guys, that's all my planting for now. And soon I plant the vegetable and the other fruits. Thank you for subscribe and then following my channel, idol.